Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create a golden text effect in Canva. So without wasting time, let's start the video. First, go to Elements and type golden. Go to Photos and scroll down and choose any photo you want. Resize it. Now go to Apps and type Font Frame. Choose this up, scroll down and type your text. Go to Settings and choose any font you want. Decrease the outline to 0. And click Use Selected Image. And click Add to Design. Now delete this image. And this is our design ready. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon to receive notifications of my videos to learn more about Canva. See you in the next video. Bye.